If you want to see how I created this look, stay tuned. What's up, my Kyrie Queens? It's your girl Kyrie Contour. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming by. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to push that post notification bell so you can see all of my content when I post it. How are you guys doing today? I hope that your day is going so well. I hope your Sunday is so amazing. Thank you for joining me today. For today's video, I am doing a requested look. I've been asked to do a Rastafarian, African type of look. This is the look that I came up with. Alright, so we're gonna jump right into the tutorial right now. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? I am going straight into the tutorial. You know me, you know how it is, you know I never have anything planned out. This is just an organic and beautiful look that we're going for today, and just stay tuned with me and see how it goes. I did my foundation, my eyebrows. Also, I primed my eyes with NYX Proof It eyeshadow primer beforehand. Now for this makeup look, I'm just gonna use Juvia's palettes. I think that'll be a nice way to kind of tie this Rasta look in together. You know, African vibes, Jamaican vibes, stuff like that. I love doing any types of looks like this, so shout outs to Savannah for choosing this. I love this idea. I'm gonna go in with Juvia's Nubian and Coral palette. And I'm just gonna put that on my eyebrow bone. Okay guys, so for the next color I'm gonna go in, I'm just gonna dive right in. My instincts are telling me to go in with the red next. Never used red in eyeshadows before, but I'm excited. So I'm gonna go in with the Wahala palette from Juvia's. And I'm gonna go in with Fire. I'm gonna put that right under my brow bone. That's all, folks. I'm gonna put that on my eyebrow bone. Pack that color on. How's everybody's day going? Because I know my day is going great. Like, got off of work early today, and now I'm doing some makeup. Alright, I'm gonna go in with that same color Fire and put it on my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna go in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I love it because it's gonna give me a great base for the yellow that I'm gonna put in somewhere. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my crease and we'll see how this goes. So now I'm gonna go in with Masai in the Warrior 3 palette. I'm gonna do like the complete opposite of what I thought I was gonna do. I'm gonna actually put the green right here. Go into the Warrior 3 palette and go in with Zinga. I think it's pronounced Zinga. It's Nzinga. I think it's pronounced Zinga. Who knows at this point? I put it in the middle of the eyelid. So I'm gonna take Fire from my Wahala palette and this brown color from my Nubian and Coral palette. Mix them together to deepen the fire. I gotta use some black in this look. I feel like this look is too light for me. I'm gonna go in with some black, tie the whole look together, but I'm gonna go into my Alyssa Edwards palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love you, Alyssa Edwards. Love the drag queenism and slay queen. It's art. Do whatever you feel comes natural to you. It will always look good as long as you blend and go in and just take your time. You don't have to pack on too much. If you need any more color, you can always add on later, but start with a light hand, especially with black eyeshadow. I'm just saying. Okay, so last but not least, with the eyeshadow, I'm gonna go back into my Wahala palette in Fire and go on top of the Beast and kind of blend out the black a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my Hard Candy Glitter Stain. I am going to put a little bit of sparkle on this yellow, make it pop a little bit. I know it looks a little funky right now, but I'm gonna just do my eyeliner and my lashes, kind of finish my foundation, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna put that glitter stain in the corner of my eye and put this glitter. It looks green, but I don't know if it's green, so we'll see. This is the look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for today. I love you, baby girl Savvy, and I hope you continue to request some good stuff. I do have a really great request coming up after this video, so we see how that goes too. That one I think I'll need a little more preparation to do so, but I love you guys, and I hope you enjoyed today's wonderful video. That is my time for today. I am going to wash this makeup off and take my behind to bed. I think this is the latest I've ever actually recorded a video. Yeah, so I hope you guys don't see the tiredness in my face. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.